Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Today I'm going to talk about if you're a small business person and you owe taxes, what is IRS going to do with your case? It's important you listen to me. I was the IRS. I'd be a person kind of like working your case. So let me tell you what IRS is going to do, especially if you're self-employed and owe taxes. It is tough. Look, I'm self-employed. There's millions and millions of people self-employed. The most difficult thing is to hold money out and send it to the federal government for estimate payments. It's almost impossible. You need the money. The problem is when you work for someone, they take the money out of your check so you don't see it. You're self-employed. You've got to have the discipline to do that. So as an agent, when I come out to work a case, the first two questions that I'm going to ask, and they're going to ask you, are all your tax returns filed? Check. Are you making estimate payments? Check. Why have you stopped the problem? If you have not stopped the problem, that's a big no-no with Internal Revenue Service. So now what I've got to do is do a real deep dive into your income and your expenses and find out why you're not doing it. And generally, you have expenses in there that IRS is going to disallow on a financial statement because they don't consider them necessary. What you consider necessary, what IRS considers necessary, are really two different things. So I want you to know, if you are self-employed and you are a small business person or anything, those are the first two questions IRS is going to ask when they come to look for you. I know it because I did this for a living. If you need me, give me a call, give me a subscription. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.